So welcome back, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. You got me and Witted Lemur. Who are you today, Witted?
Upgrade Titan Speaker Woman. She is absolutely powerful.
Awesome. So I redid my characters, y'all can see. Put it more or less what my style is. Witted redid his character. Nightmares redid her character. So we'll put it more of my style. I wear boots, jeans, and flannel pretty much. So
It used to be Upgrade Titan Speaker Man 2.0, but I changed it to Upgrade Titan Speaker Woman.
yep. And a hat. So I just put that on, got that going. So let's see what we can do here. See if we can survive through this and make everything, win this game.
It's not a volcano.
Yeah, let's hope not. Let's see what happens. Volcanic eruption. Did you just know you
That's
just
the
died?
one thing that she did not want to be.
Let me get up under the very bottom of this building, see if it's going to be safe. I'll hide
I
right
think
here.
she can take down this volcano.
You think she can take it down? I'm going to hide right here. See what happens.
Wham!
I don't know if this is a good spot or not, y'all, but we'll see here in a few minutes. I figure behind the staircase, about as best as any place on here going to be. So let's see what happens. So far, it's protected us. That's a good thing.
Shit! YouTube, Upgrade Titan Speaker Woman is messing up that volcano. Wham! What a whoop.
Looks like some blocks fell in from up top there. But we seem to be safe right now. Well, we should be. This should be just about over with. See what happens here.
He's gonna continue fighting.
There we go. All right, we'll be back with you on the next one.
He literally did.
All right, so we're back. Go ahead.
Almost to Sky Tower.
Yep, we got glass office building right now.
If it was Sky Tower, I would take the batteries out of my controller and put them back in. If it did first try. What?
I hear some wind blowing. So I wonder what kind of storm it's going to be. Let's figure this out here.
Don't tell me it's acid rain.
It may be.
Otherwise.
Figure out what's going on.
Or it may even be a flood.
Could be, could be, could be.
Or to flam.
Whoa, tornado, tornado, tornado.
Oh.
I wasn't expecting that. I did not want to come up here where I can't get out of the way of
Are
it.
you kidding me?
We'll jump down behind the
Upgrade Titan
tornado. There we
Speaker
go.
Woman lost her speaker.
Oh no! All right, so we're over here out of the way now. Woo. I juked past that tornado.
You said
Y'all
my
saw
character.
that.
I don't even have a choice.
I juked.
I need to
Oh! Go!
Nobody needs to see her face.
Woo! That about got us right there. That about got us right there. It sure did. Oh no! We're going back this way. We're going back this way. You still alive there, Witted? Hey, Witted.
To reset my character.
Oh no! You had to reset your character. That's not good. Okay, I'm
So
gonna.
my Upgrade Titan Speaker Woman Titan could have her speakers back.
All right, I'm gonna try to win this for us then. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, man, this tornado's about got me like 3 or 4 times already. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Don't come this way. Don't come this way. Oh, God, I'm trapped. Let's go this way. Let's go around behind the tornado. Let's juke it out again. Come on, tornado. Come on. Ooh, took the other building down, didn't it? Everybody was in that other building, thought they were safe. You see me jumping down here with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to
I
win
can
it
see
for
your
us.
cowboy hat. You're
Yeah.
tiny little pig.
A tiny little pixel, yeah. There we go. All right, we'll be back with you on the next one. Give us a second. All right, there we go. There's Sky Tower. That's Woody's favorite map. So this is gonna be the last one that we do on here. We're gonna go play some Generation Zero next, but we're gonna go. This is gonna be our last one. This is what Woody was waiting for. Got your Sky Tower, Woody.
When they chose Sky Tower, I told you I would take the batteries out of my controller and put them back in.
Mm-hmm.
It's a tornado.
Is it?
I'm leaving.
Is it a tornado?
No, I don't think it is.
I was gonna say I don't want to be anywhere in that building if it is.
If it's a tornado again, I'm leaving.
Let's see what happens here. Blizzard. Oh, I'm about half life right now. That's about crazy. You good over there with it?
Yeah.
Titan Speaker Man or Titan Speaker Woman.
How good Titan Speaker Woman?
Surviving the blizzard, all right?
Yeah, she is.
Well, that's a good thing to know right there.
Oh, she's a lot tougher than Disaster.
She is, ain't she?
Except for that tornado. That tornado just took off all of her speakers and her right blast. And her right blaster. Ah, you bucket face moron.
Did it get you?
No. But these bucket face morons want to be more.
Whoa. Don't come down, building. Don't come down, building. Stay up. Oh, God.
God dang it.
Woo. All right. So do the outro with it.
Thank y'all for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, share, and catch you on the next one.